Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the game invites on your PlayStation 5 in case someone is spamming you or it gets annoying. So there's a couple different ways that you can do this. You can press the PlayStation button, go to notifications, and then you can find that person, send you the game invites, and then you can block them. So they might be in a message group, so you got to select them and then go to view group. And then you got to find their name under here and then press options on their name. And then you can go to view profile. And then you can go to the three little dots and then go to block. Then you won't receive invites from that person. Otherwise, you can go to settings and then go to where it says users and accounts. And then go down to privacy. Then go to the right and go to view and customize your privacy settings. And scroll on down to where it says communication multiplayer. And you can choose who can interact with you through parties, games, and messages, and you can select no one under here. Now, another thing that you can try is backing out to the main settings menu and scrolling down to where it says notifications right here. And then you can just turn off the notifications specifically for game invites, and then you can look at them manually. So you just go to where it says game invitations right here. And then you can turn this off during videos, games, or during broadcasts, or all of them right here. Then you can press the PlayStation button, go to the control center, go to notifications, and then you can just visually see it, and then accept the ones that you want. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.